First day talaga maraming kailangan na gawin. So you need to make sure that if you have any cruise cadet, you have to make sure na makikita yun sa yung app. So we're using an app. And so everything about your journey andito sa app. All your onboard credits, kung meron kayong onboard credits, andito din sa app. So the next thing that you need to do is to watch the video, safety video. And then so the next thing we need to do is we go to the muster station. Our muster station is E. Yeah, so we need to go there para
Can I put this to make it
to complete our check-in process. We need to go to the muster station. Yeah, otherwise, magkakaroon ka ng problema. Okay. Okay, so we go to the muster station. Our muster station is Station E, Explorers Lounge. So explain ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano ibig sabihin ng muster station. M-U-S-T-E-R, no? Muster station. So ito yung designated area na kung saan yung mga passengers at mga crew ay nag-a-assemble during emergency or safety drills. Dito binibigay ang mga instructions on what to do next kapag meron yung emergency. At dito rin ginagawa ang head count at para malaman ng mga staff or crew kung lahat ng mga passengers nila ay all accounted for. So maraming muster station sa loob ng ship. So depende lang yan kung saan nakalocate ang inyong mga cabin at kung anong pinaka-most accessible sa inyo na exit. Okay, so gutom na yung kasama ko guys. So lahat ng mga passengers ay kailangan ma-complete ang checklist including the muster station at yung safety drill video bago lumayag ang barko. This is according to the International Convention for the Safety of the Life at Sea. So dito nagtatapos ang boarding process. No? Lahat ng mga kailangan yung gawin bago lumayag ang barko ay na-discuss ko sa video nito. Thank you for